Today I'm going to talk about the new addition to the TRAVELJOY family. We have the lightweight aluminium construction sack truck. It's a little bit different to the other ones, which are folding completely with the frame. This has the solid frame, but it does have the folding footplate, which still makes it ideal for compact storage. This particular model comes with the larger pneumatic wheels, which is great for navigating curbs. As I say, aluminium construction with the plastic cross members. They're curved in the middle, which makes it ideal for cylindrical items. It's a great quality truck and the capacity is 200 kg. However, as I mentioned, it is lightweight. It's one of the lightest aluminium sack trucks in our range and it weighs only 6.7 kilos. That makes it a great choice for loading onto the back of vehicles, for delivery drivers, retail, logistics, etc. Ergonomically designed handles, as you can see here, so you can position in multiple different positions, whatever feels comfortable to you. And you've even got the loop handle at the top, which again, being curved, if you do have boxes stacked high, it means you can access this without actually touching the knuckles, and it makes it easy for one-handed manoeuvring through doorways for deliveries, etc. It's a great truck and it's held in stock at Pars for next day delivery.